Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Pipedrive. We are going to cover pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Pipedrive, and also we'll check up the pricing so you exactly know how much is it worth. So, Pipedrive is a CRM software built with intuitive interfaces, clean layouts, and a simple user experience to help you manage your customer relations efficiently. An easy to customize software, Pipedrive CRM serves you the way you want to, according to your needs. The software is built around sales pipeline monitoring methodology, which offers a quality visual interface, prompting users to take appropriate action. Stay organized and monitor challenging sales processes. The email integration feature connects automatically to the contact and display everything that's happening with a particular prospect at one place. Pipedrive is very good for small, medium and large enterprises. I wouldn't say it's the best one for individuals or freelancers. They are providing really outstanding 24/7 live support, and then during business hours and also online. As you can see, the guy is already trying to chat with me. Ciao. I believe that's not his name. So you can run it in your web browser and then in your mobile phone and into your Android phone and iOS phone as well. So when we are checking the pricing, they're offering free subscription or free trial, sorry. Then you can start up anytime for, I believe, 30 days. And then you can be billed monthly or annually. If you decide to subscribe and commit to Pipedrive, you are able to save up to 25%. They are offering 4 plans: Essential, Advanced, Professional and Enterprise. Both you are getting more custom fields, more reports, more active deals by each stepping up, or by every step up, and then obviously it's raising on the price from $14.90 to $24.90, $49.90 and $99 for enterprise level. Obviously, right after your tryout period ends, you have to obviously pick the one that you want to go with. I strongly recommend you checking out at least the free option, and then you'll see. I strongly recommend Pipedrive. I use it for, I believe we created like tons of videos about it, so you can go and check them out. And also I've been using it for almost a year now. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.